After seeing this brilliant idea, many people started preparing ground beef this way. Begin by adding 150 grams of cream cheese to 1 kilogram of ground beef. Then add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 whole eggs, 1 grated onion, 1 grated carrot, 1 red bell pepper cut into small cubes, parsley to taste, 1 grated potato, and 3 crushed garlic cloves. Season with 1 tablespoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese. Mix everything very well until the mixture becomes smooth and evenly combined. Next, divide the mixture into 6 equal portions. Place them on a large baking tray lined with non-stick paper and use a spoon to gently press marks on top of each portion. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes, keeping an eye on them because ovens may vary. When they are golden and perfectly cooked, remove them from the oven, serve with your favorite sauce, and enjoy this delicious meal. Would you try this recipe at home?